Right from the framing timber we're using all the way through to the oven and hobs that you're going to include in the kitchen and everything in between. Hey, I'm Josh, a builder here in New Zealand. Today's video is all about specifications. Here's a list of what we'll cover in this video. Feel free to skip ahead. There are so many decisions involved in building a home and it can all seem overwhelming, but I'll explain the process today about how we make specification decisions with you. Specifications are a list of all the individual items required to build your home. We talk about skirting profile, door handle, window joinery, front door. So it is a document that captures everything that we need for your home, right from the framing timber we're using all the way through to the oven and hobs that you're going to include in the kitchen and everything in between. You will get this document as part of your quote. Your concept plus your specifications plus your quote plus your building contract will form the basis of your fixed price contract. Yes, every single job has its own custom-made specification document. We start with a base or a standard spec, but we will make sure that that document captures everything that you want on your house. So the main person you'll liaise with for this is either your designer or your builder, or a combination of the two. Before you move on to pricing, this is the time to finalize your specifications. This document is not set in stone and we can make changes, but bearing in mind the further down the track you make changes, the more costly it becomes if we've already committed to a certain path. It seems like a lot of information, it feels overwhelming, it is, but let's just work our way through it one thing at a time. And again, that's why you work with myself or another suitable professional, and don't be afraid to ask for help. We have done this a few times and we realize that you're probably doing this for the first time, and so we're not afraid to answer your questions, as silly as you may think they are. The team will refer back to this through multiple parts of the process. This also becomes a document that aligns with our pricing. So when we offer you a fixed price contract, we'll refer back to what was in the specifications. Specifications is a big word and it can seem overwhelming, but once you start to break it down and you work your way through the processes, the decisions start to naturally come together. And more than likely, you already have an idea in your head about the look and feel of the home. By working with the designer and the tradie, you can get those ideas in your head out and onto paper. And this means that everyone is talking the same language. So if you don't know the specific technical terms, take lots of pictures. You know, that's the best way. A picture is literally 1,000 words, and so we can work with you to work out exactly what you're trying to achieve.